What's up guys, Naresh here, welcoming you back into another video. Today's video is all about a comparison between the two Bluetooth speakers which are definitely killer for JBL Extreme 2. If you have heard the sound quality of JBL Extreme 2, you know that it is fantastic. But JBL Extreme 2 is a bit expensive, so not many people can afford it, to be honest with you. Whereas with the help of these two products, which is one by Neoscore, another one is by W King, you can enjoy the similar sort of quality you are getting from JBL with the very competitive price as well. Now within this video, first we're going to check out the features of both of these Bluetooth speakers and compare the sound quality of them as well. And I'm definitely sure that you're going to like them both. On W King D8 portable wireless speaker, you are expected to get an output power of 50 watt with a peak of 70 watts, 800 mAh battery life, which will give you playtime of 24 hours at the maximum volume too. Come with the IPX5 water rated, which means you can take it around the swimming pool but don't dunk it in there. Also have an NFC enable as well, which means you can connect it directly straight with the NFC enable mobile phone. And on the speaker itself, you have a 2-line driver in the front, 2 passive radiator on side to side, all the control buttons on the top, along with the equalizer button. On the back of a speaker, you have a compartment to access USB-C to charge the speaker, auxiliary port for non-Bluetooth supporting devices, USB output port to charge your mobile phone while playing the music too. Also come with the prefixed shoulder strap as well. And on Neoscore A4 Tsunami, which come with a maximum power output of 60 watt, 4 speaker, 2 passive radiators, and also digital sound processor. And furthermore, features are like having an IPX7 waterproof rating, feature of power bank, which you can charge your mobile phone while playing the songs, and 13 hours of battery life at the mid volume. Also offer the hands-free feature as well, which I have done a full detailed video review on it, so you can check out the link for this in the video description too. Now from the point of build quality, it is very solid, fully fabric mesh around it, and all the control buttons on the top. They also provide you the shoulder straps as well, which you can detach, and the 2 passive radiator, fully vacuumed in compartment. The part which I did not like about this Neos A4 is the compartment to access all the ports, which is under the base actually guys. But other than that, everything is fantastic. Well, now let's go ahead with the audio performance, where I will be playing some royalty free music from YouTube. And I will try to play the exactly same music at same volume on both speakers to give you a better idea that which one is loud and better in sound quality. I would also highly recommend every one of you to use earphones if possible to listen the quality very clearly. So let's not waste too much of time and straight away jump into the performance test. Well, now here I am in the end of this video, and it is very much difficult for me to decide that which speaker performed way better. W King and the Neoscore A4, they both are fantastic Bluetooth speakers and come with a competitive price as well. And they are definitely JBL Extreme 2 killers for sure, no doubt whatsoever about it. Now that will be all from my side, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video, and if you are looking for a Bluetooth speaker which has got an output of at least 50 watts and the budget is very limited, these two Neoscore A4 and a W King D8 are the fantastic choice, to be honest with you. Now that will be completely all from my side. Thank you again for watching this video. Shall see you soon into another one. Bye for now.